Welcome to my channel. My name is Martha G. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this presentation title slide with PowerPoint. So let's get started. The topic of our presentation is work at home. In this title slide we will use shades of yellow and grey. Yellow is the color of spiritual and creative people. The color grey, due to its simplicity and its ease of combining with other colors, we often use it as a color choice to paint the walls of our house, for example. As once said by French painter Odilon Redon, the basic grey is the soul of all colors, and there is actually a whole variety of greys, from light dove and soft grey to dark steel and grey-green. Of course, colors have been interpreted in many different ways in society throughout history. We will choose for our presentations the colors that we like in combination and are friendly to our audience, but also with the symbolism we know. So let's get started. To the left, next to the borders of the slide, we have the colors and their codes, hex codes, which we will use for our title slide. As a rule for each presentation, we have a common design line from the first to the last slide so that there is a coherence and we have a connected and beautiful result. In this particular title slide of this presentation, we will primarily play with vertical lines. We click Insert Ribbon, we choose Shapes, we click the rectangle, click in the design area, drag and release it. We see that a blue rectangle has been created. You can put with the eye that dimensions satisfy you to keep them. For convenience and to make the title slide exactly the same, we will give exact dimensions. So we will set a height at the top left of 90.05 centimeters. It's about 7.48 inches if you have inches in your settings, and width 0.4 centimeters, and it's about 0.157 inches if you have inches in your settings. And we put the rectangle in the desired position. We go to shape format, shape fill, we choose eyedropper and we click in the first color next to the design area. Otherwise, first we copy the hex code. Then we click the rectangle. Then we go to shape fill, more fill colors. In the costume tab, we go to hex code, right click paste, and we click OK to apply it to the rectangle. Shape format, shape outline, no outline. While I have the rectangle clicked, I copy and paste to create 3 more rectangles that have the same dimensions. Right click copy, right click paste, right click paste, right click paste. Then in the second and the fourth rectangle, we change the color. Click the second and shift click the fourth rectangle. We go to shape format, shape fill, eyedropper, we choose the second color outside from the design area. And we put it in the desired options with the help of the zoom, which is down on the corner. Then we right click all the rectangles, shift click, shift click, shift click, right click to group them, group and group. We copy and paste the 4 grouped rectangles 8 times and place them right next to each other. Right click, copy, right click, paste. Right click, copy, right click, paste. Or with the command Ctrl C, Ctrl V, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now it's time to insert our image. We go to insert ribbon, we choose pictures, this device, we choose the image that we have saved, we find in which file we have saved the image we want to put, click the image and then click insert. We notice that our image is very large, and for this reason we will cut it with the help of the crop command. We go to picture format, ribbon, click crop, press the black frames, and adjust what we want to see from our image and click outside my image to close the crop command. And to see the final result. Now I want to send back my image so that it does not cover the rectangles that I have created. Right click, send back. Because our image has white colors, we will not need to change its settings. It doesn't distract us from the title, it just strengthens it. The next step is to put our title. As a font, we prefer easy to read for the public, so we choose the Times New Roman. We go to Insert Ribbon, we click Text Box, click inside the design area, drag and release it. We choose Times New Roman font, size 36, bold. We go to Shape Format, Text Fill. We choose the second column, 4th in a row, color. And we write the title. Shift apostrophe, embrace the freedom unlocking your full potential with work at home. Bliss. Closed apostrophe. We adjust the text with the help of the white dots. And then we want to insert the presenter's name. Insert, click text box, click in the design area, drag and release. We choose from the home ribbon Times New Roman, size 20, and we write the presenter's name. First we choose bold and we write Martha G. Santos. Shape format, text fill, second column, fourth in a row. Now we want to add two rectangles to frame the title and the presenter's name. We go to Insert, Shapes, we choose Rectangle, click in the Design area, drag and release it. Then we right-click Copy, right-click Paste. We put it in the second rectangle under the presenter's name and we adjust it. Then shift and click and shift click, shape format, shape fill. We choose the gray, the first color, shape outline, no outline. And if we want, we adjust them a little bit. Now it's time for animations. We click the picture, entrance, animations, entrance, fly in, effect options, from right, durations 1.25, start with previews. We click the grouped rectangles, entrance, fly in, effect options, from left, duration 1.25, and start with previews. We go to the title, entrance, zoom, effect options all at once, duration 1.75. Start after previews. We click the first gray rectangle, entrance, fly in, effect options from top, start after previews. We go to the presenter's name, entrance, zoom, start after previews. And the last rectangle, gray rectangle, entrance, fly in, effect options from bottom as it is, start after previews. And now we are going to the bottom, to the slide show button, click to see the result. And that's it. Thank you very much. We are waiting for you in the next video. Bye!